Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Discord voice messages. So whether you're using a phone or laptop or PC, wherever you have access, you can easily download it. So for example, this is a voice message here and I want to download. I'll click on the three dot lines here and I'm not getting any option, right? So I will right click on it and I will try to save this option. Still, I'm not getting any option to download it. I can only hear this out. But guys, I have found an option that you can only download the voice messages if you open in your browser. So I have to open Discord browser, navigate to the channel audience for the voice messages, and here in the inspect element, Control plus Shift plus I. So here, if I just press it, it will open it like this here. Now put in search bar. Now here you have to search for it. You can search or directly Control plus F. You can press here, then you will get the search bar and here you have to search for this. So we'll just copy this up, right, and we will just paste it up here and we'll try to find the attachment link that you need, copy it and paste in a new tab, and this will how it's look. The download should start and you will have an OGG file of your voice message. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.